In this guide, I'll show you how to activate NBD Debit card or Emirates NBD credit card. In order to do it so, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Here is how you do it so. You could either go ahead and actually install the application, or you could go with the NBD app itself and log into your online banking account and do it so. Or else, what you could also do is when you open up a browser and type in activate your credit card, you could find a list of articles relating to it. You could go with the first link that appears, and here you will be able to find the ways to activate your debit card or credit card. So here you could see there is an instruction as you need to log into your mobile banking, and on the home screen you simply want to select card or account and tap the image of the card in order to activate it. After which you have to enter the expiry date mentioned on the card and tap the next button. And then what next you want to do is set and confirm a new card pin and tap submit. Enter a smart pass pin and you'll have successfully done it so. Similarly, if you want to go with the online banking from your computer, then you could go ahead and follow the steps. And likewise, if you want to activate it from the ATM, you could also read the instructions here. So this is the way you could go ahead and activate your Emirates NBD card or credit card, and this way you'll be able to activate the Emirates NBD card or debit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.